Well, here I am. This is a 1998 Ford Taurus, and the fans are not spinning. Either one of these two fans inside of here. This fan, one fan runs through the air conditioning, so if you kick on the air conditioning, then it'll work. And the other one doesn't want to kick in for the normal drive. So underneath this box, this main box, you're going to want to check your fuses. And I can't remember since I checked it yesterday, but I believe it was this fuse, I believe. And it was this relay right here. And what you could do is, since all these relays are the same, this is the start relay, you could just swap them. And if it starts, then you know the relays are good. There's also one underneath here, right to the right of the battery. If you pop this out, there's one right here, but this is one for the air conditioning high side. So since that's all working, and I tested the fan motors, I don't know if this is the correct way to do it, but if you can see the plug, you got red, positive and negative, and these are 12-volt fans, so I just touched it and they're spinning, so I know they're good. So the last thing would be the sensors, which if you look down, kind of the right, there's two sensors right here. There's the one right there. Two sensors. The one on the left is the coolant temperature. It runs the fans, and the one on the right is the temperature gauge for the temperature gauge inside the car, from the way I understand it. There's a way to test this. One on the left, just seeing the voltage coming out of it and everything, if you want to use a meter and try it out. But since I tested everything else, I'm pretty sure that is the problem. So I'm going to swap it out. Okay, I finally solved the problem why the fans weren't spinning. And one thing you can do just to test is you could jumper it like this. This is the two wires and the jumper that go to the coolant temperature sensor, and you can jumper them, and that'll make it see the 5 volts going through and tell the computer it's overheating, and it should kick on the fans when it starts up. You don't want to run it like that unless you absolutely have to, but you'll know if it's the temperature sensor. And it was the temperature sensor for me, so I swapped it out, and it's the one on the left. And it's a little hard to see in there. This one on the left has 2 wires going to it. This one has 1, and this is the one it was. This is one on the left.